Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Breville Oracle Touch and the Jura E8. First impressions?
Yeah, both renewed, which is good for the wallet, hopefully. The Breville is definitely a bigger machine, weighing in at 37.3 pounds compared to the Jura's surprisingly light 1 pound listed weight. That seems off, doesn't it?
It does. I double-checked that Jura weight. Probably a typo. Anyway, the Breville boasts a touchscreen, which is pretty fancy, and it lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees.
The Jura E8 has a 2.8-inch color display and uses buttons. It sounds a bit more traditional, but it offers 17 program specialties. That's way more than the Breville's pre-programmed options.
True. The Breville focuses on the 4 keys formula for third-wave coffee and emphasizes its dual boiler system for simultaneous extraction and steaming. It's all about precise temperature control using PID.
The Jura highlights its professional aroma grinder, claiming 12.2% more aroma. It also uses something called pulse extraction process, or PEP, for optimal flavor in short drinks. And it has programmable brewing temperature levels, individually programmable.
The Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder and automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee. It also has an overpressure valve to prevent bitter flavors.
The Jura has a focus on energy-saving mode and programmable switch-off time. It seems like Jura are going for efficiency.
Both included accessories like milk jugs and cleaning kits. A major difference is the Breville's terrible 2.5-star rating, and one review mentions receiving gym weights instead of a coffee machine. Yikes.
Oh wow, that's awful. The Jura has no ratings yet, but at least it doesn't have that kind of working against it. Also, the Breville is currently unavailable, while the Jura has limited stock but slice available.
Good point, and the Jura, even renewed, is still pretty pricey. But if it delivers on those 17 specialties and that aroma grinder, it might be worth considering, assuming that weight is accurate.
Yeah, I'd say the Jura is the better bet, assuming we can confirm the weight and that the seller is reputable. The Breville sounds like a gamble.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.